Injection molding is one of the most popular manufacturing processes for thermoplastic, silicone, or rubber parts. Due to the excessively high cost of traditional metal tooling, it is also the process that can benefit the most from 3D printed rapid tooling. Shenzhen-based contract manufacturer Multiplus uses 3D printed injection molds with the strong, stiff, and heat-resistant rigid 10K resin on Form 3 SLA 3D printers, shortening lead times for small batches of around 100 injection molded parts from 4 weeks to only 3 days. Additional examples include emergency mask straps by petrochemical company Braskem, and prototype and pre-production parts for the clients of manual injection molding machine manufacturer Hollimaker. Product development firm Glassboard leverages the printing speed of draft resin to quickly produce molds and thermoform polycarbonate prototypes such as helmet shells or packaging. They can achieve complicated mold shapes that would be difficult to manufacture traditionally, including small features and holes for an even better vacuum distribution across the surface. Cosmetics manufacturer Lush used to craft the master molds for their hugely popular products by hand, but recently they turned to 3D printing to create vacuum-forming molds for detailed and textured designs, which allows them to take ideas from concept to reality in under 24 hours and test more than 1,000